Hey, Kiara. Alright, this next one looks like this, and you were asked to solve for x. This is something you learn in pre-cal. You haven't learned it yet. I teach it in my pre-cal class. So, there are multiple ways of solving exponential equations, which is what you're looking at. It's an equation because there's an equal sign. And it's an exponential equation because you have exponential expressions. You have exponents. And you have variables in your exponents, which makes it really tricky. This is where you can convert into logarithmic form and solve, and it gets really complicated, and it's going to take a lot of lessons for me to describe that to you. What's nice is there's multiple methods that work, and this one method happens to work for this particular problem. So what you can do in this case is when your bases, remember when you have a number raised to an exponent, this large number is your base, and the small number is your exponent. So in this case, my base is 9, my base is 3. The exponent is its whole expression. The exponent is its whole expression. When your bases are the same and they equal each other, you can drop the bases and set the exponents equal to one another and solve for x like you normally would in any other equation. What do I mean by that? Well, the base here is 3. The base here is not 3. But I can change it and make it 3. So I think to myself, what number raised to what power? So will give me this. So if this base is 3, how can I rewrite 9 with base 3? 3 raised to what power equals 9? Well, 3 raised to the third power. So instead of writing 9 here, I'm going to write 3 to the third. And this base is still 3. I can rewrite a base the same base. So we know 9 is the same as 3 to the third power. It still has the exponent 2x minus 1, and I end up multiplying. And this has the same exponent, 3x plus 3. So I'm just going to rewrite this one base number to be the equivalent by raising it to whatever exponent is necessary. Once this occurs, I can drop the bases, take the exponents, set them equal, and solve. So I get 3 times 2x minus 1 equals 3x plus 3. And you know how to solve an equation from here. Distribute the 3, and you just solve. And you should get x equals 2. I'm not going to solve it out because you know how to solve an equation. But the answer I got was 2, I believe. Yeah, I got k. You'll get 6x minus 3 equals 3x plus 3, and you solve for x, and I got 2. Hope that helps. That was a little pre-calculus lesson.